cockatoo. Oh, how much would the rainforest, a magic place come true?
The rainforest is one of the hottest places on Earth. The hottest gets up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. There is more than 60,000 animals in the rainforest, like the hardy eagle and the cheetah.
But the rainforests are now endangered. People are cutting and burning down the rainforest and changing the weather. The giant rafflesia goes for 2 days. Then it starts smelling like rotting meat. The red-eye tree frog is pretty, but it is poisonous. And there is the macaw and the tightbird birds too. There are the macaw butterfly and the red velvet flower. And the coral center pens of animals too. The passion flower comes in 2 different colors, purplish blue and red. The passion flower can be found in Mexico too. The bright colors on the passion flower attract birds to feed on its nectar. The red passion flower has red droopy leaves that go down towards its stem, and the bluish purple one is mostly found in Mexico. It is like a daisy, but it's bigger, but the leaves are bigger. The white attracts bees and attracts the other animals to feed on its nectar. The passion flower has fruits and vines too. The fruits grow on the vines and the stem. The rotting smell that comes from the rafflesia attracts flies which carries pollen and lets the giant rafflesia reproduce. The giant rafflesia is rare because the seed needs a tissue from the tetrastigma vine that crawls on the forest floor. That is why giant rafflesia is usually floor-bound and grows to be 1 meter and 3 feet wide. Giant rafflesia has warts. It only lives for 2 days, then it rots. Giant rafflesia is the largest in the world. Giant rafflesia is red with yellow or orange polka dots.
Living in water or living on land, being amphibian must be grand. If I were frog, salamander, or toad, I would jump in a lake or crawl on a road. Living in water or living on land, being an amphibian must be grand.
I'm a red-eye tree frog. I live in the trees, not the water. I get eaten by fairy fish. I live in Mexico. I live in South America. I live in Central America. I eat moths, flies, grasshoppers, and crickets too. I'm smart because I have good senses. I know if a predator is around, and I live in trees with the water.
I'm the jaguar. I'm ferocious to my prey. I'm spotted, yellow, white, and black, large cat. I have a dangerous jaw. I can get into your brain, then damage it to kill you. Yum. That's how I eat. I have an appetite of armadillos, deer, tapirs, kapahari, tarantulas, peccaries, red-eyed tree frogs, birds, snails, squirrels, berries, and green leaves. My family is the largest in the world and larger than the rodent race. That's because there are more cats in the world than rodents. I'm closest to the leopard, even though I'm much bigger, stronger, faster, and better looking.
Hi, I'm the leopard. I am black, white, and yellow. I'm very fast. I can run up to 35 miles per hour. I am such the rainforest. I am an endangered species, and
by people, and please stop hunting me and my family. I have a long tail, large skull, and short legs, and long body. If you stop hunting me, if you keep on hunting me, there will be too many predators in the rainforest. Tarantulas live in Chile, South America, Madagascar, and the Middle East. The rainforest diet is crickets and cockroaches. Their natural diet is frogs and vertebrates. Some tarantulas are poisonous, but they are dying in the rainforest.
Oh, when the bugs go marching in. Oh, when the bugs go marching in. Oh, how I'll see the ants and the beetles. Oh, when the bugs go marching in. Oh, when the bugs begin to crawl. Oh, when the bugs begin to crawl. Oh, how I'll see the roaches and termites. Oh, when the bugs begin to crawl. Oh, when the bugs come flying in. Oh, when the bugs come flying in. Oh, how I'll see the moths and mosquitoes. Oh, when the bugs come flying